Hey everyone, in this quick walkthrough, I'll show you how to set up a new Tradovate connection in your FutuCopy trade copier. Let's get started. From the prop connection page, click the Add Connection button in the top right corner. Next, choose Tradovate as your trading platform and click Next. You'll be asked to enter a connection name. For this demo, let's type in your prop firm name. Now select your trading environment. For most prop firms, this will be demo, whether you're working with an evaluation or a funded account. You'd only choose live if you're trading from your own funded account, or if your prop firm specifically moves you to live markets. In this case, we'll go with demo. Once that's set, click Add Connection. You'll be redirected to the Tradovate authentication page. Here's where you log in using the credentials provided by your prop firm. This step authorizes FutuCopy to access your Tradovate account so it can handle trade copying automatically. We do not store your Tradovate credentials in our system. After you sign in, you'll be brought back to the prop connection page and your new connection should show up in the list. Go ahead and click Connect to activate it. After a couple of seconds, your account data and balance will load and you'll be all set to configure your trade copy settings. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for tuning in, and as always, wishing you a successful and profitable week ahead.